Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. We have a new box. Brand new to our channel right now for the first time is the Macy's Beauty Box. It is to replace this one that I'm getting ready to unbox next. So hopefully you'll go check that video out as well as soon as it gets posted up. But I'm trying to cancel that Allure box. And let me tell you, it's not the easiest thing to do. But the reason I got this one is because I was canceling that Allure box. So most likely, story with that, I'll probably stick around one more month because December generally is like the good month for Allure. And then I'm going to can it. But that'll be in that video. This, I'm excited. I really wish we would have gotten, or I would have gotten their comeback box, because they had canceled this, I guess because of COVID, I'm not sure, but they canceled it for a while. Their first box that they got back was full of Joe Malone colognes. Oh, I would have loved to get my hands on that box. But we are here. We are starting. I don't remember how much it is. I'm so sorry. Like I said, it's the first time getting it. I don't even know how to open this box, so let's just try to get into it. Okay, I think you're supposed to, goodness, open it like that, maybe? I don't know. All right, so when you open it up, it looks like there is some stuff wrapped up, and let's see here. We've got some paperwork, and now we have an empty box, so let's get rid of that. And we have a oops in my very first box. We had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that, but don't worry. We're pretty sure you'll love what we sent. So there is my oops card, I guess. I don't know. We have reset your skin, dramatic results with dramatic intervention, new skin reset 4-week intensive rejuvenation system. Oh, by Survectin. Okay, so here is some foil packets. I'm guessing this is one of our items. There is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, but that doesn't make much sense because you can't use this all week. It's only one use. I don't know, but anyway, here is that. I don't know if we get any information in this. There's a pamphlet right here, but do we get told what's in our box? Oh, we have a $5 off your next beauty purchase right there. I'm covering the code because it is a one-time thing. Okay, it does tell us about what is in our box. This is not on there, so maybe this is the oops and they gave me this. All right, here is something that was on the bottom. You guys, this looks like a bib. It looks like a bib. Like, look at that. Tell me that doesn't look like a bib to you. Does this say anything in here? Okay, I don't know what this is, but let's just see. It really looks like a bib. Oh, it's a bag. It is a bag. Okay. I mean, but it does. It looked like it was like a bib or something. Okay. But it is a tie-dye bag. It's not bad. I mean, it's kind of cute, actually. It'd be cute for like a really quick grocery store run or something. I mean, I'm not mad at that. Let's get that back there out of the way, though. And then we have this. So it is all wrapped up in a pink, bright pink tissue. And let's see what happens here. Unroll it out anytime soon. And then we have some products inside. I know that's not really good, but if I open it any farther, it's going to be all over the floor. So, empty tissue. And where did my paper go? Oh, I threw it on the ground. All right. So, I don't know how to go about this. I'm sorry if I'm all over the place, but I have never opened this box before. So, it looks like we have something from Jockey, which is a first. True Fit Promises. What is this? I don't even, okay, I do see it. All right, Jockey new True Fit Promise. Leave it to great fitting lingerie. We're getting lingerie. It's underwear. for a boost of confidence, and these super stretchy bikini cut panties are the perfect place to start. Fits dress sizes 4 through 14, $11.50 or 3 for $30. We got underwear in our box. I mean, okay. I mean, I don't know. I mean, at least they're a black pair, right? They look really small. They do not look like they are going to fit. Oh, okay. They're very stretchy. So I say they don't look like they're going to fit on my butt, but they're very, very thin. Okay. I mean, I'm kind of speechless. So let's just move on. All right. We have something from PYT Beauty. It is not there. Here we go. I guess there's different things that you can get because there's like a whole bunch of list things on here on two sides. So it does say, okay, it says $87 value. Sorry, I'm a little late to the game here. Post-workout wonders. This month's box is the perfect lineup for a refresh when you need it the most. From Pro Glow Skin Care to minimalist makeup essentials and more. Okay, so there was, I guess, the whatever about the box. And this says PYT. I've heard of this brand before. Beauty Full Filled Plumping Lip Gloss. Oh, I like a plumping one. It says, get fuller looking lips while keeping it natural, free of parabens, silicones, and phthalates, and full of sunflower seeds and avocado oil. I'm guessing the full size would be $15. This is just a little teeny baby. It's super cute, but I mean, nonetheless, that is kind of nice to throw in your purse if you can find it in the bottom of your purse. It looks like we have a perfume sample, which is Mugler, which I've heard that brand and I know it's an expensive brand. It says New Angel Cruise. A sunny vacation in a bottle, you'll instantly feel like you're on tropical vacation thanks to magnolia and patchouli notes. And I guess full size is $84. And the bottle would look really cute. So there is that. And I like getting perfume and cologne samples, so I don't mind at all. And here we have another one. And this one, I cannot read. What does it say? Oh, Jean Paul. I don't know how to pronounce that. I don't know right there. Jean Paul something. La Mail limited edition inspired by Gaultier. I don't know. I don't know how to say it. I'm sorry. Childhood days spent in the sun. You'll love this natural blend of oceanic accord, vanilla, and ambergris. I don't know. $94 for full size. Is this a men's cologne then, I guess? Do you get one men, one women's? To me, I'm getting like man vibes off of that. Is that something I give my son? Let me know down below if this is a man's cologne. Do I give this to my kid? Or, I don't know. All right, let's move on. This is definitely interesting. All right, we have a towel, a tan towel. Yeah, very interesting. Tan towel half body classic. Looking for a faux glow to get you through the winter. This towel gives a streak-free, sun-kissed look, minus the UV rays and messing tanning boost. Valued at $24, I guess for full size. I wouldn't pay $24 for a sheet. One sheet covers arms and legs. Color will develop in 2 to 4 hours and will continue for up to 24 hours. That's pretty cool. I mean, you can't get mad at that. That's a one-time tan, easy to use. Not mad at it. Out of everything so far, the perfumes and that, I don't know. I kind of like everything, actually. I kind of do. All right, next, this item is so expensive. And I can't believe this is in here because this is like really expensive. I'm curious to see what it says. Where are you? That's not it. Okay, so I guess they sent me, maybe this is the oops. I don't know. It's not on here. I really want to know the price of this though. This is the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. I know this stuff is expensive. It's showing the SK2 RNA Power Radical New Age Cream, which I just got that in the Sephora Luxe. But it's not showing me anything about this one. So I know this is expensive, because I've seen the price of this stuff and I've heard really, really good things about it. And there is, it does say sample. Can you see that? It says sample on the bottom. There is 1 fluid ounce in here, so this will last a little while. I'm super excited about that. Really excited. And then the last thing, I'm kind of really excited about this too because I've never tried it. So this is the Derma Blend Loose Setting Powder, and I've been wanting to try this, so I'm kind of really excited about this. Totally translucent. This powder works with any and every shade of foundation and will look your look in place. And will look your look. I'm not kidding. Valued at $29 for full size. It says it will look your look in place. It doesn't say lock. It says look. You guys. So not only can I not talk today, and it looks like I can't read, but it definitely says that on there. Anyway, this is cool. I've been wanting to try this. I just haven't bought it. They are carrying, for what I understand, Derma Blend at Ulta now. At my Ulta, I'm pretty sure I've seen them setting up a end cap for it, or even a whole aisle, I think. So I'm excited to try this, and if I like it, at least I know that my Ulta will have it. So let's recap our Macy's box, which is very interesting. We have this cute little tie-dye, which I thought was a bib. This is a comical video. We have the Derma Blend. We have what I don't know, I mean, maybe it's just a sample. So we have the Reset Your Skin right there from Skin Reset. The SK2 Essence, which is amazing. We have the 2 different colognes. One I think is female, one's male. Let me know down below if I'm correct on that. We have the tanning towel, which will get you tan once. Not mad. We have a little baby plumper. Again, not mad at that. And we have some underwear. So, what do you guys think? Definitely a comical bag. I really enjoyed unboxing this. It's super cute. I don't know. I'm excited to see what's in next month's. And it's December, so normally December boxes are really exciting. I mean, I would have loved to have the Jo Malone. I'm just saying, it would have been fantastic to get all those little Jo Malones. But I'm not mad at this one. So let me know down below what you guys thought of this box. And if that's a man's cologne, let me know so I know if I should give it to my kid. Anyway, thank you so much for being here, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.